Out of my way! Ah!
In days of yore, there were two warriors.
I'd kill for a spicy tuna roll right about now. Get yourself a little something.
The brothers grew apart, and a new age began. The Middle Age.
Dad, is Uncle Ted coming for Christmas this year?
Sweetie, sometimes you just grow apart.
Diamonds all in my ring, player. Gold watches, gold chain, player. Walk in the building, I own it.
Uncle Ted, I missed you so much.
That's my girl.
Woohoo!
You can't solve everything with money.
But you can, Tim.
You haven't changed at all. You're still a big baby. Suck it, Ted.
You suck.
Get that passy out of my face.
Excuse me. I hate to interrupt. I mean, it's a riveting conversation, but why don't you both suck it?
She can talk.
All right.
I'm in the family business. And now you work for me, boomers. Baby Corp developed a new formula that can turn a grown-up back into a baby for 48 hours.
You want me to be a baby again?
Yep, there's the awkward stage. Ew! Baby Corp will offer a full memory wipe following this experience.
So, what's the crisis?
An evil genius is teaching kids to be very bad babies.
Welcome to the baby revolution.
We're gonna need a disguise to go undercover.
What have you done to me?
No, really? What, are we going sailing? Oh, no.
Thanks for always having my back.
You're my brother. We always stick together because that's what families do.
We need to hurry before the formula wears off. What the? Aren't you a cutie in that little karate outfit?
Oh, my gosh, oh, my gosh, oh, my gosh!
I'm sure this isn't something money can't solve. What the fudge?
After a lifetime of being the world's most famous enemies,
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3.
Tom and Jerry are about to start over
'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah.
in the big city.
This hotel has been host to 4 presidents, 3 popes, 2 kings, and we're about to host the wedding of the century.
Do you think you're qualified to take on this position?
I shine under pressure, like a diamond. Or Rihanna.
One other thing. We have a mouse problem.
With the what now? I'll catch it, sir.
Everybody gonna shine. I was born like this, don't even gotta try.
Oh, wow, this is so detailed. We could hire an exterminator, or we can leverage millions of years of predatory evolution.
Got the baddest lie.
If a picture of this mouse is tweeted out to Instabook Face or TikTok, we will be ruined.
No, sir, that's not gonna happen. That rodent is toast.
I will not let this hotel be ruined by a cat and a mouse.
He's toying with us.
I think I might have just pulled this off.
Really?
We blowing up the whole thing. Everybody in the bouncy house go bouncy, bouncy.
My name's Eep.
Bigot stuff.
It's news. And we're the world's first family, the Croods.
Oh, another glorious morning.
Dad always says the pack stays together.
That's my girl.
Seatbelt mode.
Now we're searching for a perfect place to call home.
What the heck is that?
It's the end of the world.
Well, that's it for me. I'm glad it's you, Chunky.
Wow.
Isn't it strange how this food grows in perfectly straight...
Genius.
I thought cave people died off years ago.
We happy meet you. Thanks.
Oh. We are the Bettermans.
Better man?
Emphasis on the better.
Is that your home?
Kind of big, isn't it?
Hey, girl.
Another teenage girl.
Yeah?
A girl.
Friend! I've never had a girlfriend before. Me either. What do we do? What do we say to each other? Without any car voices? What's getting so I don't know if cave people belong in a modern world.
What's your problem, big guy? This place is changing everyone.
Guy?
And we really need to limit Thunk's window time.
Not now, Douglas. The birds are on.
In my day, we didn't stare at birds. We fought them.
Let me live my life.
Whoa, what's that? It's just a scar.
Every mark is an adventure.
And my dad doesn't even know about this one.
Whoa, peanut toe.
You're not allowed outside the wall?
Nope.
This farm is like your cave. You're just like me.
I feel like taking chances.
You see that wall? Yeah. You want to jump in? Yeah.
No! We'll be back before anyone knows.
You took Dawn for a joyride. The Bettermans built the wall for a reason. That's not good.
The only way to survive is if the pack stays together.
In such a dangerous world, I worry about my family too.
What's that?
Kill circle. Today is a good day to die!
Hey, everyone, you'll never guess what I found out!
Sorry, honey. We thought you were a predator trying to kill us.
No, never apologize for an effective kill circle.
Hold on, stop. You accessorize with a sloth? I accessorize with a sloth. This is built.
Mine's Sash.
Ooh la la.
Welcome to the vicious six.
Hello? Everybody here for the interview? Me too. What do you drive? I got a jet bike.
They're ready to see you, Mr. Gru.
Oh, good. Great. Here we go. Distinguished villains, my name is Gru. I feel like I'm talking too loud even though our proximity doesn't require this kind of volume.
You seriously think a puny little child can be a villain?
Yes, I am pretty despicable. You don't want to cross me?
Come back when you've done something evil to impress me. He took the stone! There's that little thief! Go, go, go!
Otto, take the stone back to the lair. I'll distract them.
I'll handle this.
super villain. Now all I need is Otto. Where is Otto?
Sí. Punya poso para ti la pata.
Are you pulling on my legs right now? Otto, where's the stone?
Big storia. Porca le tondruf, quando le pari mene. Yemako baki berger. La papituarelle. Oh no, la partida, la bola. Basta el amigo, no le puedo stopar. Bahiu, la ghetta. Papagato, parenti. E là, la punella. Oh là là, le bello bellissimo. La chiruto. Topissimo, no?
Did you just trade my future for a pet rock?
See?
Oh, I didn't mean to scare you.
Now, where's Gru?